log into your PayPal account, go to Tools, click on All Tools, scroll down until you see PayPal buttons, click on PayPal buttons. You can do Buy Now, since you don't have a page. Now you have to set up where they put their address. So you put the item here, what they're buying. You put the price. Then go to Customize Advanced Features. Oh no, wait, that's not it. I'm sorry. Yeah, Customize Advanced Features. Do you need the customer shipping address? And you click this button, yes. And so when you click that button, yes, when they check out, it'll make them put in their address. Okay, hope that helps.